Keeping an eye on your money, people trying to buy a house are not only dealing with high real estate prices, they're also paying more to check their credit score. The cost of pulling a credit report has been rising for years, and this year, no different.
Many lenders absorbed the cost of a credit report in the past, but now they're passing that higher cost to consumers. Christina Flores reports.
When you apply for a home loan, the lender usually needs your Tri-Merge credit report. That's a single report that combines your credit scores from all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Even 5 years ago, some home loan officers tell us a Tri-Merge report cost around $50, but that's all changed.
It was over $100
Last year. Now, what does that credit report cost?
$348.
And it's the consumer that's going to pay for that.
Exactly. How can any lender afford to absorb that cost? You can't.
That's Al Bingham, who's been doing home loans in Utah for 30 years. The $348 is what he is being charged to pull a Tri-Merge credit report for two people, like spouses. While the amount varies slightly depending on the loan officer you ask, those we talk to say the cost of pulling a credit report has gone too high. And consumers and lenders seem to have no power over the three credit bureaus and their fees. Why are they raising the prices like this?
I've asked myself that question many times.
Because they can?
Because they can. It really comes back to that, because they can. Because think about it, if they had competition out there, they wouldn't be doing this. But they have created a system that we all have to utilize, and they funnel everyone down that system, and they can charge whatever they want.
Bingham believes the price hikes were also fueled when the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau was gutted. The Trump administration told many of the agency's employees to stop working and dropped several lawsuits aimed at protecting consumers. The higher cost of credit reports could mean it's harder for consumers to know their true credit score. Free credit scores, including those on apps, are often not the scores used by lenders when you borrow money for a house. And you often need to pull your credit report several times to shop around for the best deal on a loan.
The concern I have in there is the consumer will not get access to that information. It's going to be much harder to get access to that, and it's going to be harder to make any changes to their credit profile to secure a better deal.
Christina Flores, KUTV 2 News.